Hey, good day. What's up? What's up? What's up? How are you doing today? Super excited. You're welcome to another cryptocurrency update with Mayowa Owolabi. I'm excited. It's another day. How are you doing? Wherever you're joining from, good afternoon, good morning, good day. I'm excited. I'm excited. Good afternoon. Where are you joining from today? Where are you joining from today? Tell me. Let's go. Good afternoon, good morning, good day. What's up with you guys today? Tell me, how is the market treating you today? Have you met your goal for the week? And for a lot of you that joined the crypto session, the Forex session yesterday, AUD, USD had gone like did wonders. Yeah, that's it. Fantastic. Hey, Dolapo Olaniyan from Lusaka, Zambia. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, I've been to Lusaka before. A nice Lusaka today. I think I need to visit Zambia again, maybe next year. It's not on my radar this year. Dolapo, why Zambia? A nice cryptocurrency at your hand there. What asset have you bought lately? Yeah, fantastic. Fantastic. Tell me. Let's go. Hey, Dada Bukola, good to have you. Well done. Zambia is good. Great. I can't wait to visit again. It was an amazing place when I did visited the other time. Okay, so as usual, let me share. I need to share, I need to broadcast to let people know that we are live. Bukola also broadcast, send broadcast to all our platforms. Hey, Gabriel, good afternoon, sir. How you doing today? From Malabo, Equatorial Guinea. From Malabo, Equatorial Guinea. Ice, Equatorial Guinea. Ice Equatorial today. Hey, God's power. How you doing? Good to have you today. Guys, let's share, let's broadcast. Let's share. I'm sharing. Let's share. Fantastic. God's power says is good. Thank you. That's nice. Great. So you guys are welcome one more time to the cryptocurrency update with Mayowa Owolabi. This we do every Thursday, 2 p.m. West African time. And we've been doing this for a while. What's the goal? Why are we doing this? Is to give basic information, answer questions, and nurture people in such a way that they can take the right decision themselves. I do tell you guys that the essence of investment is not for you to put your money in every investment, but to have the basic information that can allow you decide if the investment is worth your money. I've seen a lot of people invest in cryptocurrency, and I've seen them lost money because they don't have the right understanding. They don't even understand the cycle of the market, and when they invest in it, they lose their capital not because they feel like losing or they're intentional about their losing, but because they don't have a basic knowledge of even placing or classifying their portfolio. And this is really, really, really like a very, very important one for me. I've seen people that the whole entire portfolio is full of meme coin, and that is because that is what is listening, or the that's the type of traders he's listening to in the on YouTube or on every other platform. So my goal is that everyone can have this basic knowledge and take decision so that you guys can do well for yourself. Like, I'm not paid to come and do this. Okay, I just want to contribute my quota. Like somebody was reaching out, somebody reached out to me and said, Mr. Mayowa, God bless you for what you do. I've learned, I've learned not to lose trade. I've learned not to lose trade ever. I've learned out not to lose trade ever since I started listening to your channel. That is enough for me. That's enough for me. Either you are in my premium service program, mastermind group, or you are in the free session. Just make sure you are doing the right thing. That's the goal. So for me, I'm excited. I'm pumped up. I'm pumped up, and I want to welcome you all one more time to this amazing session. And thank you so much for sharing again and again. I don't think Bukola have put this on the on the Telegram group. Fantastic. Good, 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 good. Godfather says, Mr. Mayowa, God bless you and your entire family in Jesus' name. Amen. Thank you so much. Okay, Mr. Baba Femi says, good afternoon. I missed the crypto class last week, but thank God you are here today. Hey, thank you. Thank you. Okay, guys, always share. Help us share. Let's help other people succeed. Don't let somebody tell you that he lost money and you are listening to the person. And you know that, hey, if you had listened to Mr. Mayowa, I would not have put in money in that particular asset. So that's the goal of this station, and that's the goal of this YouTube channel, especially for this episode that comes up every Thursday, so that you all can do well for yourself. So let's get busy. As usual, the first thing we always do when we come to the cryptocurrency update is to help you guys get to see what is happening in the market. And the first thing we always check the the news, which has to do with the fundamental. What has happened for the past 1 week? What happened for the past 1 week when it comes to the fundamental space? Let's do that quickly. Okay, the first one is Tesla. Tesla's 140 million Bitcoin loss shows the risk of crypto holdings. Okay, Tesla has been investing in in Bitcoin, and I still have a bias that Bitcoin is coming down, but I can be wrong. Like I do tell you, that's just my bias. It's going up. Okay, it's going up right now, which is good. Which is good. But like I said, I'm not buying any Bitcoin right now. I'll rather add up to my meme coin portfolio, add up to Degen's project, and but right now I'm not buying. Indian takes caution approach towards crypto after FTX. Yeah, that's normal. That's normal. That's normal. Okay. Lithuania cracked down on payment providers after Binance and Crypto.com. Okay. So what happened to Lithuania? Lithuania crackdown payment providers on payment providers affects Binance. So that means that that project will not fly in their space. Okay. Lithuania watchdog releases a detailed list of payment services provided to causing uncertainty for some crypto networks. Lithuania watchdogs includes the Apex Bank and are cracking down on payment service providers. And you know, one of the payment service providers for cryptocurrency is Binance and crypto.com. Okay, so a few years ago, Binance faced regulatory scrutiny from different financial watchdogs. Due to this scrutiny, Binance lost some of their top partners, including Barclays and Santander banks. However, at the time of Contel stock with Binance on issuing a Visa card. So some will do, some will not. That's just the cycle of innovation. The cycle of money innovation. When any innovation comes in, the first 15 years is always for early adopters. Okay, towards the end of the 15 years, okay, you will see the institutions trying to take positions, and that will hold in for another 35 years. So everything you're seeing right now it's already moving according to the pattern. Okay, so that's why I'm not really bored about what the news is saying. Okay, because that's how it is. That's how it's always been. Okay, good. So Web3 security project Hypernative raises $9 million. Okay, that's fine. We could check Hypernative and see what they're doing. Binance and MasterCard form alliance in Brazil. Fantastic. That's a good one for Binance and for Brazilians too. SBF's 250 million bond guarantors to be reviewed. We need to know who is signing for this guy. We need to know now. These are the people that this guy is doing a silent stuff with. We need to know those guys. Bitcoin set to register its best January in a decade. Okay. Yes. A lot of time Januaries are always down. Okay. For it to close in profit after a very long time, that means that there's something about this year. And I've always told you it's 3 years up, 3 years, 1 year down, 3 years up, 1 year down. I showed you guys the analysis the other time. So I strongly feel that Bitcoin should do well this year. But I don't think this is the main move. Okay. Binance bond 16 million BNB tokens. Very, very good for Binance. Very, very good for Binance. This allows market stability for Binance. Very, very good for Binance. Okay, Bahrain real estate companies start accepting cryptocurrency. That's fine. Industry board clarifies what happens when crypto derivative crash. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. CFC pushes for additional crypto acquisition review. Let's go. Let them go ahead. SBF immediate family is set to be questioned about the financial gains they made from FTX. Yes, no. They have to be just that's just the way the system is. That's the way the system is. It doesn't have to. A lot of people have profited from it now, so it doesn't have to. It doesn't have to be that. Irish Central Bank urged advocate for a ban. Mango files a suit against its traders for alleged 114 million token manipulation. Tesla Q4 report, Doge accepted for payment. Bitcoin holding intact. Yeah, that's good. That's good for Doge. FTS reviews trouble linked company. Let them tell us. Elizabeth Warren, crypto giant, are collapsing under the weight of their own fraud. Not all of them have fraud in them. Not all of them. Okay? Not all of them. So whenever we're done with this, we move next to the fear and greed. We move to the fear and greed. Fear and greed. So what's happening to the fear and greed, guys? Wow, the market is at 60. Hey, 60, 60, and it has entered greed. And what did I teach you about greed, guys? I think I said a lot about greed. Whenever the market is on, let's go and check. The market is on 60. 60. Mm, that's good. You buy when everybody is afraid. You take profit when it's in the greed zone. That's the rule. You buy when everybody is afraid. When it's around the fear zone, you buy. When it's around the greed zone, you sell. So now is around 60. Anything around 80 is a greed zone. Okay, anything above 60 is a greed zone. So be watchful. Don't sleep on the profit. Um, if you had entered the market lately, just entered the market lately. So, like I said, the best place to buy is when this market is around 10. And I expected this guy to drop to 10. Well, he never did. Never did. He never did. But that doesn't mean that it's not coming now. So we're waiting, patiently waiting, patiently waiting, patiently waiting. So what are the audience saying? Hey, how are you, sir? From South Africa, Pretoria, precisely. Hey, good afternoon, Israel. Balayo, good to have you. Baloy, good to have you. Hi, South Africa today. Hi, Pretoria. Good afternoon, sir. Clestus, Chinedu, good to have you. Solomon Bright, boss, the boss, I greet you. I greet you too. Joshua says, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. More like by the greed. Yeah. No, is sell the greed, oh. Joshua, don't buy greed, oh. You sell greed, you buy in the fear zone. Please, oh, don't 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 mix it up. Oh. Okay? Don't mix it up. You buy the fear, you sell the greed. Uh-huh. Fantastic. Hey, Daniel Oladimiji, my guy, I greet you, sir. Mr. Dan, how is it going, sir? Sell the greed, buy the fear. That's right. Sir, what coin are you expecting to come to 10? No, I'm not expecting any coin to come to 10. I am expecting the sentiment of the market to come below 15. So now the sentiment is around 60, which is a greed zone, a greedy zone. Okay, good. So 60, anytime is below 15, between 10 and 15, that is the zone I want to buy my long-term assets. Long-term assets. Do you get now, Mr. Babafem? So I buy my long-term asset whenever it's below 10 to 15. That means that we're going to hold for a long time. Understand that is a swing, extreme to the extreme. But whenever it doesn't get to the extreme before it goes to the other extreme, that means that the market isn't ready then. Is that clear? Thank you, sir. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. As usual, it's fundamental sentiment and fundamental sentiment and Technical. Thomas says, good afternoon, sir. Looking forward to the next bullish move. Can't wait, sir. Me too cannot wait. Thanks for the Shiba Inu. The last bullish move made me some cool money. Then patiently waiting. Yeah, yeah. The only challenge is that people don't want to wait, but they want to make money. Tell you, people don't want to wait, but they want to make money. It cannot work. You have to wait. When you wait, the victory, the money is in the waiting. The money is in the waiting. The next bull run, Shiba Inu should do so much. Shiba should do so much in the next bull run. Shiba should do much in the next bull run. Good afternoon, Mr. Mayowa. Please, how can I participate? I need money. Please help me. How can I participate? I need money. Help me. Number one, Prince or Buba, you need the knowledge first. You need the knowledge first. That's the first thing. You don't go for money first. You need knowledge first. When you go for money first, a lot of time used to give issues. So go for knowledge first. Is that clear, my brother? You can go to my YouTube, watch how cryptocurrency works on my YouTube channel. I explain everything there. Then you can now start deciding. We are waiting for your $9,000 Bitcoin to buy coin. Face blue smiling. Yeah, I'm waiting too. Somebody chatted me, will he still come? Wait, if he does not come, does that change? Does that change? Does that change me? It's just an analysis now. Let's go and check. That doesn't change. That doesn't change the market. It's called market. You must know when to go in and when to come out. Where me, my Owolabi will go in is when Bitcoin comes below 10,000, 9,000, possibly 7,000. I know you guys don't like it. I don't like it too. I don't like it too. I don't like it too. But like the institutions want more. They want more. They want this guy to come lower. And this is the first time they are coming in openly. So they want the position to be a very good one for them. So my bias is still that I'm expecting Bitcoin to come lower. So what I think is really holding on the sell is DXY. Is the DXY. The DXY has not decided yet. The DXY has not decided yet. If the DXY decides, then this guy too will decide. But without deciding, if DXY goes up here, this guy will come down. So right now, we are in the cross mode where we just cross our head and watch. Don't forget that the number one rule of making money is to protect your capital. That's the first rule of investment. Protect your capital. If you want to make money, number two, protect your capital. That's what the wealthy person said. It's not about protecting capital. So it's not about making money. That capital you have to find a way not to lose it. So instead of entering on every is going up, I don't think that's the right time. So I'm still expecting it to drop. And if it breaks it up, maybe the market will come up to this place. Maybe. But right now, I don't think the market has the strength to go up there. So that's my bias for Bitcoin. So I'm already forming a wedge sign. Move here, move there, move there. So we need something like this for us to say, to declare that this guy will sell. Where are you? We need something like this before we can say this guy will sell. We need that impulsive move. We need this impulsive move. We are yet to get that impulsive move. Until we get it, Bitcoin will still be playing. But when it breaks out of that zone, then we can do business on selling, on selling here. Then we'll sell downwards. And if it breaks it, no wahala. It only increases our weighting. Okay? But it has the capacity to do more. Let's check Ethereum before I begin to take your questions further. Ethereum is also pushing higher. They move together basically. So if you cannot see anything on Ethereum, it's because Bitcoin too is not ready. Okay? I think we are in a supply zone right now. But it's an indecision zone. Because when this guy dropped, went up, it dropped, went up. This is a bullish flag. So let's see how this happens or how it plays out in the next few months. Maybe around June. That's the projected time I'm expecting to. Maybe around June. Let me see the monthly zone. This guy is still stopped in this supply. Ethereum need to calm down. This move, I don't get it. Ethereum need to calm down. Those are people are not. I don't know why an impulsive move will go up this far and you expect it not to retrace. He has to retrace. He has to retrace. Look at the 3 month chart sef. He has to retrace. That's it. I can even say this other block. Maybe you should just return back to this other block. But that does not say we go up. I can just do 6 month analysis, chart analysis. This is 6 month chart. This is the next demand. So he has to do something like this. Up. Or he does something like this. To 11. If it comes to 11, the whole nation will shout. The whole crypto nation will shout. The whole crypto nation will shout like, Mr. Mayowa, do you know what you are saying? Like I do tell you, I can be wrong. I'm just here to share. I'm just sharing my view. I can be wrong. I'm just here sharing my view. It's just a view. Jeez. If that happen, it's going to be because there have to be a retracement. If you have watched my training on WikiCat, a lot of you were asking me about WikiCat, you know. And I said, hey, WikiCat is at the peak right now. He has to come back. Come back. So that's my view for Ethereum. And we're good to go. Okay. Prince Obuba says, can I have your YouTube channel address? Yes, Owolabi TV. Mayowa Owolabi TV. That's it. Gilchuk says, good day, boss. I want to retouch my head and start trading again. I lost a lot when I traded before. When I trade before, it's possible. But just don't quit. When you lose, it means that you are not yet ripe. You still need to learn. So let's dust it. Retouch your head, retouch your head. Go and watch my past 10 videos on not crypto, not Forex Outlook. Watch the upload videos. How to 10x your account, case studies. Go and watch all those videos. How to grow small accounts. Go and watch those videos on YouTube. Okay? It's on my channel. Then once you watch them, it will help you come back quick. Bitcoin 7,000. Yeah, I'm just saying my mind though. Now I can't even execute a trade because of fear. Go and buy, talk to Bukola, buy this book. Go and buy my book on for financial market code. When you finish that book, you will be back. I shared my story there, how I was afraid and how I came back to normal. I've been in your shoe, brother. I've been in your shoe. I've been in your shoe. Severally. I was even there for a very long time because me, I was rugged because I believe so much. That's why I used to laugh. Somebody was disturbing me on Facebook. On Facebook today. Was it today? Somebody was disturbing me on Facebook today. I don't know the guy before. I shared how to 10x your account, and the guy began to give me negative vibe. He's been fighting me. I don't know his father. I don't know his mother. I don't know. I've not begged him to come and buy my training. I didn't say come and buy my course. And the guy has been following me up and down. If you have lost money, I'm not the one that says you should lose money. Me, I told you come and learn. That's what I've said. And I teach you for free. So if you go to my company page, the guy just came there, and the guy was angrily replying me. I don't know him before. I said I was not going to talk about it, but I want to talk about it because of that, my friend. He said, let me increase my screen so you guys can see it. He said yesterday, during the Federal Open Market Committee meeting, which is FOMC, there was a significant increase following Chairman Powell's statement at 8:30. The performance of the previous metals, cryptocurrency, and S&P 500 demonstrates the opportunity of a savvy traders to capitalize on market movement. As a professional trader, show proofs that you catch the move. Can somebody go and answer this guy for me? That I'm here to show. I'm not here to show proof. I'm here to make money. I'm here to profit from my pocket. I'm not here to show you. His name is Israel Oluwasho. And I've been laughing since morning when I saw the restroom. And I'm sure maybe he has lost money. Maybe he has bought several courses. And I said to him, bros, let me show you what I said. I said, because my I think it was one of my team that replied this guy before. I said, I smiled. I said, so if I show you, what will that do for you or for me? He said, it will increase your credibility and more confidence in your firm. I said, this guy, he has problem. This guy has problem. I said, I don't need to. Then I replied him. I said, to 10x accounts, I have done that severally. It's on my Instagram wall. My students have done it. And I replied him. I said, our firm's credibility as proven by testimonies of our students. We don't need more proof than that. If you want more proof, stay tuned to this page and you will wonder. And I posted a testimonial of one of my students that 10x his account from $35 to $400 above. And the guy said again, he said, this guy would have blown account. I just finished him. I said, hey brother, all I see is negativities. I said, in your messages all your life. I said, this guy said he took 6 trades and he flipped. What I share is 100% free access. Neither have you been approved to pay. I've never told you to pay for anything. So I've been enjoying the guy since, me, today, I'm working from home today, so I've just been enjoying myself. I've just been enjoying myself. I had the time to respond to the guy. He has gone silent. I know. Thomas, go to my page and go and shoot this guy for me. And tell him how much you made last year, Thomas. Tell him how much your Shiba Inu gave. How much you made from Shiba Inu. How much you made from AUD Chef. At least you are not even, you are following me free of charge. You are making the money free of charge. Don't even talk about premium students. A lot of time people are suffering. People are going through a lot. And what they are going through can make them react. And I understand that. But his own was just too much. Thomas said the guy is frustrated. You can say that again. I didn't say come and pay for cost now. I said, I will show you how to 10x your account. And I showed people. And the guy is just vexing. Okay, let's go ahead, guys, before I take your questions. Okay, well done, Mr. Mayowa. I have benefited from your classes. God bless you. What is the implication of the Fed raising interest rates yesterday? Okay, so what the Fed is trying to do is to manage what is meant to be recession. Okay, they are just trying to manage what is recession. So with that, is making US dollars to weaken, and when it weakens, there will be more move, more like stability or something. That's what to use, so that people can partake. So for me, a lot of time I don't follow their report because I trade from higher time frame. Anything they will do, we only implement on maybe 1 hour or 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay, but technically speaking, I think they are just trying to manage the declarance of recession. The declarance of recession, because if they raise interest rates, they know what they are doing. They know. They know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. They are just looking at ways to stabilize the the nation. You know, everything has to do with stability and inflation, recession. All of those things are something they are always afraid of, and a lot of the Fed team, you know, especially when the chairman wants to talk, he always want to find a way to manage the community, which is the economy. And the only way they do that is to increase interest rate so that there will be a slowdown in the community, in the economy. Okay, so that there will be a moderate growth in price. But let's see. My own is that they can't keep padding. They can't keep padding. You know, they can't keep padding. They can't keep padding. They can't keep padding. Good afternoon, Miss Boss. Good afternoon, sis. How are you? Gil Chuk says, thanks. You're welcome. You're welcome. Sir, Solomon Bright says, sir, what metaverse coin with good potential this year? Sir, what metaverse coin has a good potential this year? A lot of them. A lot of them. I've analyzed sand for you guys. I've analyzed mana for you guys. I think I gave you like 5 the other time. So they are all good. But like I do tell you guys, the only thing you need to play smart at is the location. Everybody type in location. Everybody type in location. You want to buy at the right location. The location is what makes you, is as a matter of fact, is location that makes me wait. It's not that the project is good or bad. A lot of projects are there, but when you buy at the wrong time or the wrong location, you're going to hold on. You're going to hold on to the pairs, and you can't keep waiting. Like me, I would rather use my money to do other businesses, and that's why I tell you guys I don't trade alone. You know, I'm not a full-time 100% trader. No, I trade to multiply my money. So I only wait for the best opportunities in the market. So you won't see me want to always trade, enter a trade, enter a trade. Okay, so you have to be very, very careful when you're coming into the financial market. Okay, please. Location is very key. No matter who is telling you about the project, you need to identify the best location to buy. I've seen people buy meme coin and they buy it and the $100 or $200 goes to a zero because of wrong location. And to get the right location, I told you guys, if you're in the class on Monday, no, if you're in the class on at the last 10x class, I said it's direction, location, and I said to get location, there are various ways to get location. Support and resistance is a location. Supply and demand is a location. Order block is a location. FMD is a location. Imbalances are location. So you have to just look at the ones that suit you. Is that clear? Bright. Locations are key. Oluwaseun, don't spoil our name. Don't spoil our name. Mr. Owolabi is not here for show off. He is bringing new things for us for free since last year. Tell them, oh, Mr. Israel. Mr. Israel, tell him, oh, tell him. The guy needs help. Mr. Israel, the guy is your namesake, oh, Israel Oluwaseun. The guy is your namesake. The guy is your namesake, oh, but your own Israel is different. No, your own Israel is different. Okay, so let's do. Is it good to talk about some metaverse today? Okay. Can we talk about locations for some metaverses today? Can we do that? Okay, so let's go to metaverse. Um, okay, so the last time I gave you guys, okay, so when to coin market cap view and metaverse category, we have um, we have about 15, 1, 2, 3, 15 billion market cap for metaverse, okay, and we have 3.1 billion as the volume, okay, trading volume that is available on metaverse. However, you can see all of them, and this is arranged in market cap, okay, is arranged in market cap. Okay, so if I'm going to be picking APZ, ape have not experienced bull run. Okay, ape have not experienced bull run, and I think I spoke about it the last time, and I was talking about metaverse. Ape have not experienced bull run, and if ape have not experienced bull run, I'm expecting ape to reduce a bit, okay, before that main move. Let me use monthly. Okay, I feel ape should come below 78 points, below 78.6 before we can buy. Something is happening. So which is not a bad place. That two is not bad. But like I said, hold on. I think I need to bring back my. So I still feel ape should come a bit lower before we can have that bull run feel. So if you come to one daily, I think it should come lower. Because what I will expect naturally is that the market does not move based on one form, one movement. It has to come, though I think it should come lower. The next one after that, ICP. ICP. A lot of people are saying so much about ICP. But I'm not moved by what they say, is by what I see on the chart. Okay, so ICP came below the what was the ICO or IEO for this guy. Let's see. I want to check the I want to check the all-time low. This guy have done $400, $420 before. Wow. The VCs are dumping. That's too much. So personally, I might not even look at this one at all. Might not look at that one at all. At all. Let's check Mana. Mana has been very interesting on my radar. I've checked for it. I've been waiting for decentralized, Decentraland. I've been waiting for it. Yeah, it's on the decision zone. Okay, let's expect. Let's expect. 8. 8. So this is what I do tell you guys. You can see that this is the first impulse move for Mana. You can see. So it's only those that got into this move that would have backed out. So if you are now buying without a full correction, you're going to be missing out. Imagine somebody telling me that he's buying Mana here. No, you want to buy Mana from 0.08. I've told you guys this price since last year. So yeah, this guy needs to come here. But right now, can I buy? A lot of people are bought and they've cashed out 180%. So except you are trading futures. But if you're not trading futures, you will know when to exit the market. So the game plan is, if you can enter here right now at the full retracement, then I'm going to be coming out at 24. If I can come in at anything 0.08, I'll be coming out at $24. And $24 is about even $10 is about 11,000%. So Mana is a good project for me. Then that is for technical. You remember, I've told you have to check the VCs. Who are the people putting money in this project? You must answer those questions. Before you put your money in any project, you must answer who are the investors so that they will not dump on you. Check more information. Active top 100 holders. Wow. Project info. So these are the people that are in charge of Mana: investors, fundamental lab, capital, kinetic capital. Kinetic capital is they are good guys. Cosmos Capital, digital currency, US guys, UK Fabric, Korea. These are the people who have money in Mana. So these are some of the basic things you guys need to know. Crowd sale at ICO. Okay. team, team and contributors are holding 20%. That's good. It's a good tokenomics. Tokenomics that are more than 35%, the owners and everything is they're holding more than 35% is a risky one. This is a 20% one. So the tokenomics is good. Good. And you can now go and finish it. Go and check it, use it on crypto rank and check their ICO, check when the rate they came into the market. So these are the things that can make you put money in a project. I'm sure I'm helping, Abi. Mana. Mana. Decentralized mana. .8 is at 80 cents right now. The ICO 2019 was at 0.28. That was when it was launched. So now I have an idea of when it was launched, and my technical analysis is telling me that I should look out to buy at 0.08. Okay. So I have an idea of that. Okay. Ah, guys. Wow. Okay. I can't open so many things here, but it's fine. I think I've been able to help you. 0.08 in Naira. No, in USD. In USD. 0.08 in cents. Thomas said, oh, you should know I have made over 6,000% bullish free last bullish free for Mr. Mayowa's crypto spot trading calls and ideas. Tell him, oh, tell him. And it's free. I did not charge anybody, it's free. 6,000% is not for this year owner. It's gonna be big. It's gonna be big. So which other project you guys want us to check? So we checked Mana. I told you guys that Mana will come lower. But when will it come? That's what I can't tell you. But the location, it means that there's more that can happen. Okay? Wow. Thank you, sir. Okay, we should check sand. Let's check sand. Sand. Sand is a good project too. Last time I spoke about sand, right? Sand is a good project. So I have the first order block around 4 cents. I have the next order block around 76 cents. So if you come to monthly, we had a rejection here. Okay, so if I'm going to do anything on sand, it has to be at 33 cents. If I don't do anything on sand, it has to be at 33 cents. and currently is on a supply zone, which is a very interesting zone for futures traders to sell. So right now, with 33 cents will be my entry spot for for sand for sand. Location is matters. Location matter. Sir, can we check cross X? Let's check cross X. Don't be sit down just it's a new project. What are they solving? If I am to if I don't the down to woo! Woo! This is an LD move. Just wait for it to come to 0.003 Binance. This is an LD move. So see, let me share the main thing to you guys. I don't like to buy on the first move. I don't like to buy. If I'm not in this move at the pre-sale, pre-launch, IDO, ICO, ID, all this ID, I will not do anything. But I will now position myself for the impulse. Look at what Bitcoin did when Bitcoin first came. So that you will understand. Because a lot of us, the challenge is that you are always afraid of missing out. So when you are afraid of missing out, it allows you to now buy when you are not meant to buy. Let me go past. See. See, the first time Bitcoin was released, then he retraced back to the other block, then went up. Okay? When the move went up again, he retraced back. This is where I will buy. He went up again. If I miss this move, I will not do anything. I will wait for the what? This retracement, it happened for 8 months, 260 days. 260 days is more than 7 months. You have to wait. So you can see why waiting is part of the game. So it's not that you don't like the project. It's just that you did not join when. So if I'm in this project before it was launched, I would have taken, I would have taken some profit out of it. But right now, I missed out on this trade. Then I will do what? I'll just bring in my FEB and I will wait for the market to what? To retrace below this FEB. If the project is a good project that has met all my expected speculations, then I am good. But if not, I will just wait. So this is a cross-chain DeFi aggregator, which is good. Okay. So it means that it can interface two or more projects together. And who are the partners? The partners are Pink Sale, Interfail, Blabs. So these are the things you need to know before you put in your money. Okay, there are other things you can check. If I don't pray, say that will make just of me. Elebedi bikili demoni naila. Egede bala bidi domini tebuna. Edi bi silver kapa. Eyele bele bidi mai. If I don't pray, say that will make just of me. I will pray, oh, I no go shy. To who pray, this guy have done, wow, 12, he has done more than 893%. That's this candle that you see, 893%. That's crazy, guys. If I don't pray, say down with the God of me. Jabadai belly making the mad. And the only place you can buy it now is on MetaMask. Or this is crazy. Oh. This project is crazy. Oh. It's crazy. Oh. Just wait for the pullback. Hmm? Have you bought it already, Chinedu? This project is crazy. Oh. There are some places that I need to go to do my last checking. Ashabadaba ni metibelebe ni nenad. Eketebelibetibe Disneyland. Oh, make just of me. This is a cool impulse. Just wait for the retracement. If you can wait for the retracement. So if you ask me where will be the retracement, I think the retracement should just come to that 0.0, anything less than 0.01 or 0.003. Let's go to weekly charts. Okay. Anything here. But you can just start buying from the breakout of this. Anything at 0.0004, you can start buying. But buying here right now, they can dump on you. So this is good. Aha. Planning to buy. Okay, if you are planning to buy, wait for retracement. Wait for retracement. Yetunji Akim says, check AXS. Thomas says, sir, Ada and Polkadot. I'm expecting them to come lower. Planning to buy. Please, sir, how about Digimon Rabbits? Digimon Rabbits. Digimon Rabbits. You know I'm live. People are looking at your daddy. So, the same thing that we have so the same thing that you have on CRX, that's the same thing that you also do on you have to go and know the project, all these projects that are just skyrocketing up. You have to check what is it used for. Don't jump in. If I don't pray, you can see it's already up. So you have to wait for the retracements. You have to wait for the retracement. So when you wait for the retracement, then you buy. You buy. That's the only way you can join all of these projects. Okay? Have I helped you guys today? Please, sir, are they your lovely children? Because they are beautiful. Thank you so much. Yeah. Whenever I'm working from home, they are always coming to peck daddy, kiss daddy. They're the people I'm investing for. Right now, I've made some money. I don't need to be. I've made some money to be eating. Any money now is investment money. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to go and get my book on cryptocurrency checklist, 21 cryptocurrency checklist. Go and get that book. Okay? Go and buy cryptocurrency code. Go and buy it. Read it. Read it. How can I learn more about metaverse? Simple. Go to YouTube. If you are not in a premium group, go to YouTube or go to Binance. Binance has an academy. Binance has an academy. How much is the book? 5,000 naira. It's 10,000 naira, but you get it for a month. It's 10,000 naira, but you can get it for 5,000 naira. Chat up with Bukola. She will attend to you. The number scrolling on the screen. And for those that are interested in joining my crypto mastermind group, reach out to her too. She will help you get started. She will help you get started. She will help you get started. Any other question? Any other question? Any other question? Okay, guys. So I hope I've been able to help. Reach out to Bukola to get started, either for the Forex mentorship or crypto mentorship, and we'll be good to go. Have a pleasant evening. I look forward to your success. I'll see you guys on Saturday. Do you teach in person? Yeah. I teach in person. Yeah. I teach in person. This is the time to join our mastermind group. You have access to our training recordings. You have access to our weekly updates. You have access to my watch list. That is, my watch list alone is worth $5,000. Okay. You have access to we've given 5 meme coin last week. 5 good meme coin that has the potential to do an average of 2 to 5,000 x. Did I say 5,000 x? 500 x, not 5,000 x. You want to join? Reach out to Bukola. Reach out to Bukola. She'll walk you to. Reach out to her. Reach out to her. You'll be added to the Discord group. You have access to the training. You have access to the updates on all our courses, all our lists, the assets we buy. The location is not as important as go and buy. Okay? Polkadot is on our list. Cardano is on our list. But it must get to our location. And the most interesting part of the community is that you will know how to classify your portfolio. You know how to classify your portfolio. You are not buying all projects. You know, oh, I'm buying Bitcoin and Ethereum, must have minimum, should be classified as 30%. The gens should be classified as 30%. Ecosystem, blockchain projects, 30%. Meme coin, 10%. I've taught you guys free of charge for that one. So don't just go and buy any project. Make sure you are buying the project. And like a new guy that just joined the community was asking me today, he has about 40,000 investment portfolio he wants to do for crypto. I say you have to share it. You have to share it. Yeah, a portion goes to meme coin, a portion goes to the king and queen of the market, a portion goes to the blockchain project, a portion goes to the degens. That's an healthy portfolio. You will not cry. You will not be shouting, I lost money. Oh, hey. So reach out to Bukola. She will get you started on that number on the screen. Okay, guys, let's call it a day. Have a great day. My name remains Owolabi. I'll see you at the top and not from the top because the floor is crowded. Peace out, guys. Bye-bye for now.